Hello everyone! Since I've already compared CPU cores and VRAM, I've now finalized the settings for efficient gaming on the Legion Go at a TDP of 15 watts. These settings will provide almost 2 hours of gameplay while maintaining solid performance. Let's get started. First, I set the system to 4 cores and 8 threads, with VRAM set to auto. Based on a comparison benchmark video I made earlier for gaming at a TDP of 15 watts, using 4 cores and 8 threads with VRAM set to auto is highly recommended. For RAM speed, I set it to 6,400 megatransfers per second. As you can see listed here, the memory bit rate is 6.40 gigabits per second. The reason for this is that there's no noticeable difference in performance between a RAM speed of 6,400 megatransfers per second and 7,500 megatransfers per second. I chose 6,400 megatransfers per second instead because, as you know, lower speeds result in lower power consumption. By setting the RAM speed to 6,400 megatransfers per second, you'll get a little bit extra battery juice for longer gameplay sessions. For power options, I set it to balanced mode and disabled CPU boost. For Legion settings, I set it to performance mode with TDP, SPPT, and FPPT all set to 15 watts. This option is better than choosing balanced mode, even it's the same 15 watts. The OS power mode is set to efficiency, display brightness to 80%, and speaker volume to 50%. I turned off Bluetooth and enabled Wi-Fi. The display resolution is set to 1280 by 800 at 144 Hz. I mention all of these because these settings significantly affect power consumption. Now this is the game I'm testing today, Ghost of Tsushima. The game is running at 1280 by 800 with FSR set to quality and FSR 3.1 frame generation enabled. The settings are low with medium textures. Now I unplug the charger and start the stopwatch. After unplugging the charger and waiting for a while, you can notice that the estimated remaining battery time is 120 minutes, equal to 2 hours of gameplay. Since it's an estimate, it may not be 100% accurate. That's why I use a stopwatch to measure exactly how much playtime I get from 100% to 5% battery life. With all the settings I mentioned earlier, the game runs smoothly at a solid 70 to 80 FPS, with input latency consistently around 20 to 30 milliseconds, even during combat. Also, please note that this battery test is with my 1-year-old device. You can expect slightly longer playtime with a brand new device. This is because battery performance tends to degrade over time, so a brand new device would likely provide slightly longer playtime. Now that the battery has drained to 50%, I can get approximately 56 minutes, almost 1 hour of playtime from 50%. Now, the battery has drained to 10%, with an estimated 13 minutes of runtime remaining. It lasted 1 hour and 43 minutes from a full charge 100% to 10%. I will continue using it until it reaches 5%. As the battery is now close to 5%, I've prepared my charger and will plug it in as soon as it reaches 5%. Here's the final result. The battery lasted 1 hour and 50 minutes from a full charge 100% to 5%. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.